The International Space Station, ISS, is a large spacecraft that orbits the Earth at a remarkable speed of 28,000 kilometers per hour. At this speed, it completes a full orbit around the Earth every 90 minutes, meaning it circles the planet 16 times a day. The ISS is unique because it serves as a place where astronauts live and work in space for long periods. Located about 400 kilometers above the Earth, it is so large and reflective that you can sometimes see it from the ground without a telescope. The ISS is a collaborative project between 5 major space agencies: NASA from the United States, Roscosmos from Russia, ESA from Europe, JAXA from Japan, and CSA from Canada. These agencies, along with contributions from over 16 other countries, work together to build and maintain the ISS. Construction began in 1998, and the station has been continuously occupied by astronauts since 2000. The assembly was a huge effort, with pieces of the ISS being launched into space and then put together in orbit, one part at a time. The ISS consists of many connected modules, each with a specific function. Some modules serve as laboratories, where astronauts conduct important scientific experiments, while others are used as living quarters where they sleep, eat, and relax. Large solar panels provide power to the station by converting sunlight into energy. The ISS is about the size of a football field and weighs over 400 tons, making it one of the largest human-made structures in space. Living on the ISS is a completely different experience from life on Earth. Astronauts live in a weightless environment, meaning they float all the time because there is no gravity in space. This affects how they sleep, eat, and even move around. Astronauts sleep in sleeping bags that are attached to the walls to prevent them from drifting. They eat specially prepared space food, which is often dehydrated and needs water added before being eaten. Even simple tasks like brushing teeth or drinking water are done differently in space because liquids behave in unexpected ways in microgravity. One of the biggest challenges astronauts face is maintaining their health. Without the pull of gravity, their muscles and bones can weaken. To stay healthy, astronauts must exercise for about 2 hours each day, using special equipment like treadmills and stationary bikes designed for space. Exercise is crucial for keeping their bodies strong during their long stays aboard the ISS. The main purpose of the ISS is scientific research. It serves as a space laboratory where scientists conduct experiments that are impossible to do on Earth. One of the major areas of study is understanding how space affects the human body. Astronauts on the ISS help scientists learn about changes in muscle mass, bone density, and circulation, which can help prepare for longer missions like traveling to Mars. Another area of research is plant growth in space. Scientists are testing ways to grow plants without gravity, which is essential for future missions where astronauts may need to grow their own food. Additionally, the ISS is used to test new materials and technologies that behave differently in space. These experiments often lead to discoveries that can improve life on Earth, as well as in space. The ISS is not just important for science. It also represents a powerful example of international cooperation. Countries from different parts of the world with different languages and cultures work together to keep the station running. This cooperation helps strengthen relationships between nations and provides a platform for sharing knowledge and skills. The ISS is also involved in monitoring Earth's environment. It carries instruments that help scientists study changes in the Earth's climate, ocean levels, and weather patterns, providing valuable data on natural disasters like hurricanes and wildfires. Although the ISS has been in space for over 20 years, it is expected to remain in operation until 2030. After that, new space stations could take its place, such as China's Tiangong station, or even commercial space stations developed by private companies. However, the knowledge gained from the ISS will continue to guide future space exploration for years to come. The International Space Station is a remarkable achievement. It orbits the Earth 16 times a day, provides a home for astronauts in a weightless environment, and serves as a laboratory for groundbreaking scientific research. It is also a symbol of international cooperation, showing how people from different countries can work together for the greater good. As we look to the future, the ISS remains a critical step in preparing for missions to Mars, the Moon, and beyond, while also providing valuable information about life on Earth.